Now, in a campaign, there are 20 to 25 image sets which are assigned to each team. The team leader will assign each team member, the image sets accordingly. For example, if there are 20 image sets dispatched in one campaign, your team lead and to your team leader will dispatch or distribute these image sets amongst the team members according to the strength of the team. That is, if there are 4 members, then each member will get 5 image sets. When everyone submits the MPC report of the image sets assigned to them in that campaign, the team leader will uh, dispatch or present or give you the participation certificate, which the International Astronomical Search Collaboration will send them uh, by the end of the campaign. Okay, the certificate looks something like this. This is my certificate, which I received in the for the November December IASC Asteroid Hunt campaign. I was the team leader in that campaign. So this is how my certification certification of participation looks like. Okay, so this is one uh, gesture of gratitude and of an acknowledgement that you have contributed for something good, uh, and you have contributed to the scientific community, especially the astronomy community. So this is one way of expressing their gratitude and acknowledging your participation in the campaigns. So that's how the campaign has ended.